Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Radu and today I'm gonna show you a video about adding aftermarket hood lift supports for a Mazda CX5 2019. As you know, the hood of the Mazda CX5 is pretty heavy and it does not come with factory struts, so that's welcome add-in to have. Thank you. So to begin, I'm gonna show you first the lift support kit. It's made in China. I ordered mine in Amazon and you'll find the link in the description of this video. Apart from this kit, you just need a 12 millimeter socket and everything is included. This is here, you see it's a tool which will help you to install these pieces, uh, and apart from that you don't need anything else. Are able to take this out. install this here, like that. Okay, so this part has to point to inside. If we put it like that, it will open a little bit higher, so we have to use the other one in order to be properly installed. Make sure here is straight. We may install a spacer here just to help us, and it has to be the, you see, there is a little play, the most towards inside possible. Okay, so basically once that part is installed here like that, we just come with the support and snap it here and snap it here, and that's it. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So on the other side, we had the other part of that helper tool. We bend it like for the first one. We put it in that hole like that. With this part at the top, and then we come with the screw and we try to screw it in. Now we need the 12mm socket. Tighten it. Okay, that's it. Bend it back for now. Well tightened. Now to unscrew this screw here in order to put the other side. Take a look. It's gonna be a little bit difficult. So we took out the screw, and now we put that part here like that, pointed to the inside. Okay, so now as we install the support here and the support here, we just have to snap it here and here like we did. So here that. And for here we have to lift it a little. That's it. So now we just have to take the tool out and we have to move it like that. And next we can test it. Let's see if it works. Stays without the stick. Let's see how it's moving.